presented Barbara MATIĆ under 70 kg gold after she overcame Margot Pino in a tight final. We caught up with MATIČ in our latest Meet Your Judoka feature.
I started judo in my primary school when I was 6-7 years old, and I need to choose between judo and ballet because that was near my home, and I chose judo. My favorite techniques are Serenage and Uchimata because I throw that the most on the competition and tournaments. I don't have a favorite Newaza technique because I don't like it too much, Newaza. But maybe in competitions I do mostly osakomis, and it was only I can get in the Newaza. My hero is Croatian ski racer Janica Kostelić because she won 4 Olympic gold medals and 2 silver, and after her skiing was a popular sport in Croatia, and I want to do the same with judo. I have 2 favorite judokas. For men it's Ono and his beautiful Uchimata, and Clarice about her Sotogari and about her strength. I think they are really #1 in their categories. My favorite movie is a French movie, Untouchables, because I cry every time and I like to watch it all the time. I think I watch it like 7-8 times. I like to listen all kind of music, but when I'm home I prefer maybe Balkan music. It's good for having fun and party. My favorite food is Croatian sarma. It's cabbage and meat, and I like it when my mom's prepared for me, and pizza, mainstream. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering, so if not judo, after my judo career, like a trainer, I will do electrical engineering. My nickname is, I know, well known, it's Barbie, it's shortened for my name. I have 2 hidden talents. I'm usually right hand, but almost everything I can do the same with my left hand, and I can wiggle my ears. My biggest rival is Maria Portela because I lost from her, I think, 4 times for now, and I still couldn't beat her. I have one thing to say, that hard work pays off, so just keep training and stay focused and motivated. Keep going and train hard and everything will be good. My favorite memory from the IGF tour is a gold medal from the Grand Prix Zagreb, because it's a home crowd and my family is there to watch me, and everyone is shouting Barbara, Barbie, and it's a really nice feeling. I like everything about judo because we travel a lot, meet other people, other cultures, we respect each other. When you lose, you need to bow down and shake your hand with your opponent, and I think that's the most important from the judo, to get up after you lose. Cut, we are done.